Welcome to Kali Linux Ethical Hacking tutorial course. Kali Linux is a Linux distribution by Offensive Security. It is distributed with pre-installed ethical hacking and penetration testing softwares. For this tutorial, you need to install Kali Linux in a physical or virtual machine. I am suggesting here to use VirtualBox. It's a free hypervisor by Oracle. So please download and install VirtualBox from virtualbox.org website. I'm assuming that you know how to do it. You can download it for Windows or any other operating system. So do it yourself. It's very easy and simple. After installation, you will find icon like this one on your desktop. Double click to run it. This is our VirtualBox. Then go to kali.org website, select download. You can download it for VirtualBox option or Microsoft Hyper-V. You can also download the ISO version. For this tutorial, we will download VVox image. You can use 64-bit or 32-bit. After download, you will find file like this. Remember the location. Open Oracle VM VirtualBox. Go to File, Import Appliance. Locate the file. Next. Here you can increase or decrease the CPUs according to your PC settings. If your PC have 4-core processor, then CPU will be 4. You can edit it. You can edit the RAM, etc. You should click here to reinitialize the MAC addresses. Then click import. After installation complete, it will create a virtual machine called VM. Double click to run it. Press enter. It will take few moments to open up. Default username is root and password is tor. TOOR. Finally, we are in Kali Linux desktop. Here you can find the applications mostly required for the penetration testing and ethical hacking. A lot of application. In this tutorial course, we'll gradually learn how to use these tools to secure your network, and you can hack also. But hacking is a criminal offense. Purpose of this tutorial is ethical hacking. That means you must get permission from the system owner to do any penetration testing. This is the end of first part. In the upcoming tutorials of this series, we'll do a lot of practical to learn ethical hacking, penetration test, hiding identity, dark web, and so on. So please subscribe to my channel to stay connected.